Welcome to Passmores Science.
Hi, I'm Mr. Gets It Wrong.
And I'm Miss Gets It Right. Welcome to Science.
Come in, class. Oh, do come in sensibly.
Sorry, miss.
Always watch your step and behave sensible in a science lab. Thank you for being ready to work. Mr. Gets It Wrong. You need a pen.
Don't have a pen, miss.
Please focus on your work and come and get a pen.
Sorry, miss.
Right, class, let's get ready and safe for practical work. Let's go.
Mr. Gets It Wrong. You have completely got this wrong. You need to put your goggles on your face. You need to take your lanyard off. That tie needs to be tucked away too, you know. And it's a good job you don't have hair because that also needs to be tied back like mine.
Okay, let's light those Bunsen burners safely. So we need to ensure everything is on safety flame. Make sure the gas up. Mr. Gets It Wrong.
Sorry, miss.
Need to make sure that you've got the safety flame on. Handle your matches carefully. Oh dear, Mr. Wrong, what happened to your goggles? What happened to your tie and lanyard? Oh, that is not where the tie should go, isn't it? Oh, that is not the safety flame.
Oh, sorry, miss.
Oh dear, Mr. Wrong, you made a mess. You will need to clean that up safely with dustpan and brush. Oh, do not lean over the flame with your tie hanging out. Okay, let's put those reactants together.
Whoa, that's amazing!
That's just so boring, miss.
What are you doing, Mr. Wrong?
I'm just eating some grapes.
Okay, Mr. Wrong, you are still not wearing your goggles. That could go into your eyes.
Sorry, miss.
That is not how you're supposed to wear your goggles. No! Oh no!
Miss, I can't see anything.
Get to the sink very quickly. Let's get you washed out. Right, class, pay attention. The colour change you have just seen is something we see whenever we have a chemical reaction. Oh, Mr. Wrong, we are going to have a big gas ball build up. Then you could have burned your fingers.
Sorry, miss.
Hello, so what we're going to be doing today is looking at the safety aspects of the lab when we're doing flame tests. And for the flame tests we will need flames, and for flames we need Bunsen burners, so we need to come and light the Bunsen burners. So it's very important when you start to use your Bunsen burner you have it closed so it's on the safety flame. And I'm going to turn the gas on and then I'm going to light the Bunsen burner. So there we go, the safety flame. What you shouldn't do is light one Bunsen from another like that, and you also need your goggles down as well to make
Sorry,
sure.
sir.
This is lit on a roaring flame. You can hear that roaring, but you can't see it, so that's not safe. So if we turn that to a safety flame, we can see where the flame is, so no one reaches across and burns their arm. So when we are doing the flame test, we will need to change it to a blue flame, not a roaring flame. Let's turn it to a blue flame like that. So the colour of the flame does not interfere with the colour of the chemical we're going to do. You also notice that the Bunsen's are in the middle of the table, because if they're at the edge, then they might get knocked over and that would be bad, and we're trying to be as safe as possible.
Right, can you listen please? Thank you. And that water should be in your bag out of the way, not out of the lab. Right, what we're going to do today is we're going to be doing an experiment where you possibly could end up dropping something heavy on your foot. Put your goggles down, please. Thank you. Yes, so when you're using the weights, you're going to have them on a spring. If there's a possibility of them falling on the floor, they could obviously fall on your foot. They are heavy, so you don't want to get those on your foot because you will hurt yourself badly. So make sure that when you're letting go of the weights, they are above the bench, and if you need to hang them over the end of the bench, that everybody is standing away from the area, so there's no danger of them falling on your feet. Do you understand that?
We just do it, miss. We just do it.
Why do you need to keep your feet out of the way?
Because I might break something if they fall on it.
Yeah, you. use what you might break, so you need to be very careful.
Can we just do it, miss? This is boring. Ah! My foot, miss. My foot.
Please refer to the lab safety rules whenever you're doing practical work.
Good morning, sir. I'm afraid I've got Mr. Gossett wrong here. He's not been following safety procedure in the lab.
Bad, Mr. Gotsey wrong.
Due to an issue with casting, we've had to replace our teacher.
Good morning, miss. I've brought along Mr. Gossett wrong here because he's not been following safety procedure in the lab.
I didn't do anything, miss.
Oh dear, Mr. Gottitron, come on in, sit down. We're going to discuss this at break time. Here you go. And we shall speak in a minute.